In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for January 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. Our next product is the Mini Short Hair Curling Iron. Introducing our Mini Dual-Purpose Curling Iron, featuring tourmaline ceramic technology for frizz-free, smooth, and shiny hair. Suitable for wet and dry use, it protects your hair while providing efficient styling. The 3D floating panel ensures even heat distribution, resulting in a smooth ironing process without roughness. With a low 10W power consumption, it's safe and energy efficient, powered by USB Type-C sources. Ideal for individuals on the go, the targeted audience for running ads includes busy professionals, travelers, and those seeking a portable solution for effortless hairstyling. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 929 likes, 156 comments, 199 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Mini Short Hair Curling Iron is just under $11.99, whereas the product cost is only $7.86. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Outdoor Waterproof Portable String Light. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with the Outdoor Waterproof Portable String Light. This weather-resistant, stowable string light transforms any space into a warm oasis with its 20 adjustable LED bulbs. Ideal for patio parties or camping, it offers customizable modes, colors, and shapes. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it ensures up to 10 hours of magical illumination. Don't miss out on the perfect accessory for every outdoor occasion. Targeted audience: outdoor enthusiasts, campers, event planners, and those seeking portable, versatile lighting solutions. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 9K likes too, 4K comments, 507 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Outdoor Waterproof Portable String Light is just under $33.99, whereas the product cost is only $14.26. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Baby Bath Seat. Introducing our Baby Bath Seat, a safety-focused, durable, and user-friendly solution for parents of infants aged 18 months. With a robust suction cup for stability, high load-bearing capacity, wraparound design, and comfortable armrests, our bath seat ensures a secure and delightful bath time experience. Crafted from premium materials, it guarantees durability without sharp corners. Easy to install, it allows parents to focus on creating cherished moments. Targeted audience for ads: parents of infants, 18 months, seeking a reliable and comfortable baby bath seat for a stress-free bathing experience. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 578 likes, 102 comments, 28 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Baby Bath Seat is just under $47.98, whereas the product cost is only $11.12. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the powerful monocular telescope. Discover the world in vivid detail with the powerful monocular telescope. Perfect for nature enthusiasts, sports fans, and travelers, it offers up to 50x zoom for crystal-clear views of wildlife, stadiums, and landmarks. Lightweight and durable, it includes a tripod, phone clip, and carrying case for convenience. Easily attach it to your smartphone to capture stunning photos and videos. The powerful monocular telescope makes an ideal gift for explorers. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your vision and order today. Targeted audience for ads: nature lovers, sports enthusiasts, and avid travelers seeking a closer perspective on their surroundings. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 8K likes, 949 comments, 554 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for powerful monocular telescope is just under $29.97, whereas the product cost is only $4.33. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Sport Breathable Sneaker Shoes. Step into comfort and performance with Sport Breathable Sneaker Shoes, the ideal companion for your active lifestyle. Crafted from top-notch materials, these shoes offer breathability, keeping your feet cool during intense activities. The durable rubber sole ensures superb traction and stability on any surface. Whether you're running, hiking, biking, or simply strolling, these sneakers provide an unparalleled walking-on-air experience. Don't miss out on the chance to own sport-breathable sneaker shoes. Order now for a blend of style and functionality. Targeted audience for ads: fitness enthusiasts, runners, hikers, cyclists, and active individuals seeking comfort and performance in their footwear. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 2K likes, 974 comments, 371 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store, selling price for sport breathable sneaker shoes is just under $54.99, whereas the product cost is only $10.37. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.